Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this. This is part of a logo, and they're having trouble reduplicating it. It's really too fuzzy to trace. But I'm going to take, I don't know if that's the exact size, but we're going to make it pretty close to that size. So I'm going to measure from about the center to the center is 21 inches, roughly. So I'm going to take an ellipse, and I'm going to make it 21 inches. And I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. Now this is 180 degrees. This is equal. If we bring in an indexing line, you can see that's parallel or perpendicular. So we're going to take a 2-point line, and I'm going to hit P, put that in the center of the page. And I only want that part. But what I'm going to do, matter of fact, I'm going to cut these off a little bit so I don't have to nudge so far. And I'm going to set my duplicate distance on 22 inches. And I'm going to make a duplicate of that and move it over. And now this one, I've measured, well, let's just measure it. I'm going to take a 2-point line and go from about right there to right there. So that's 180 degrees. I'm going to rotate it 20 degrees and see I hit that other part. So I'm going to take this line and rotate it 20 degrees. And because we're working in the center, we got that. Now I'm going to hit the plus key and I'm going to mirror it. So now we've got that shape. Now I need one more. So let's take our, and this is just a rough estimate because we don't know what this is. And I'm betting it's another 20 degrees. So 40, so that's good. So we're going to make a duplicate of this. And we're going to take this line, and because we're working in the center, we're going to rotate it 40 degrees. And then take this line away. Make sure you just get that line. We're going to take that line and we're going to mirror it. I didn't make a duplicate, so I'm going to mirror that. That's our lines. So now what I can do is take the virtual segment delete key and delete that. Whoop. So my arrows weren't, my lines weren't as far out as I wanted them to. So I'm going to grab the shape tool and make these lines longer. The shape tool. I'm going to use the shift tool. That made it equal all around. So we have that line. Now we can take away these crosses. Now I'm going to take this one. Hopefully my lines are long enough. And I'm going to delete that. Whoop, same scenario. So if I hadn't have cut those lines off, I wouldn't have that problem. But I'm going to grab that, holding down the shift key, grow it out. Grab that, hold down the shift key and grow it out. And now I'm going to delete that part. And I go and delete this part because that's what I wanted. Now I can take my X and delete it. Take that line and delete it. There's our 3 lines. We can go right now and hit P and put them in the center. Maybe you can't. Oh, we can't because they're not equal. But we nudge so we can nudge back. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to make this one something other than a hairline. I'm going to make it, that's not thick enough. Let's make it 1 inch. I'm going to make this one a 1/2 inch. And I'm going to go ahead and just ballpark and make this a 1/4 inch. Now I'm going to select them all. And I'm going to go up to Object and convert the outline to an object. And then I can left click, right click. Now, because we nudge, I can nudge that back, nudge that back, and I can take all these and weld them, and I get that shape. Now, I don't know if they need those colors, but in case they do, let's take we can take our Smart Fill tool, grab a sample of that color, and put it right there. And then I would take away the outline. A lot of times that doesn't work because it's a fill. So now I just moved it over. I moved over the Smart Fill, and there is that, I think, pretty close to exact part of the logo, and it's Maybe this is bigger than a half inch or a 1 inch, but they can adjust that once they know. So at least this looks equal. That looks like a half of that. That looks like a half of that. So I could have made them, you know, 1.5 inches, 0.75, and half at 0.75, 37.5. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.